Hello guys, so let's see our Salesforce to Google Sheet integration but in a unique way. Okay, so here we have a Google Sheet, name, phone, website type, industry. Okay, as you can see it's a Google Sheet. And in Salesforce, whenever I create a new account, it will ask us do we want to save it in Google Sheet, and it will put that record over here. First let me log out, so it will ask me to log in again. Okay, logout successful. Let's go back to Salesforce. From here we will create a new account. Let's see, new, standard account, next. Let's type account 1 for now. Phone number can be 111111 just to make sure. Prospect, website can be sfdc.com, and industry. Why I'm putting all these fields? Because only these fields are filled over here. I have just logged out, that's why it's showing up, right? So let's go back, and as you can see all fields are filled. Save. As soon as the record gets saved, with the help of Lightning Web Component and Lightning Confirm message, we can see this. Do you want to insert this record in your Google Sheet? I say okay, yes. Then as you can see I am not logged in, so it is asking your session is expired, do you want to log into your Google account? I say yeah, let's log in. Okay, so it opens up the pop-up to log in. How cool is this? If I log in now, as soon as I am logged in and I said okay before that, see, record saved in Google Sheet. If I go to Google Sheet again and refresh it, because now I'm logged in, you can see the record. How cool is this? Now as you know we are already logged in, so let's create another account just for testing. So this time it should not ask us to log in again. Okay, so this time 22222, and then customer channel, website can be anything. Let's type a different one which I like from hanforce.com, and maybe banking for now. Okay, save. Again, as soon as the record gets saved, it asks us, do you want to save this record in Google Sheet? I say okay. It didn't ask us to log in this time, and record is saved in Google Sheet. If you go to Google Sheet, see, you can see the second record. We selected banking and 222 and Khanforce. How cool is this? So that was our demo. Thank you so much.